Students, welcome. Today we will discuss one problem of the finite automation which also came in the GATE exam. In this we have to convert the NFA to DFA. We know NFA is non-deterministic finite automation and the DFA is deterministic finite automation. So we will do the conversion of the NFA to DFA in this example. So construct the DFA which is equivalent to M equals to Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So this is representing all the set of states which is represented by the capital Q. This is 0, 1. 0, 1 is showing the input alphabet. So this is representing the sigma. This is the delta or transition function. This is the Q1 or which is the initial state. And this is Q4 which is the final state. So here we are having a machine, capital M, and we have to construct the DFA to this machine. And there is some transition table which is given here. That these are the states Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. These are the same some inputs 0 and 1, and these are some transitions. And here you can see Q1 on getting input 0, it goes to Q1 and the Q2. And here you can clearly imagine that this is the NDFA, because in the NDFA on the one input symbol we are having multiple transitions and we have the multiple next states. So in the same case you can see here that Q1 on the 0, it goes to Q1 also and it goes to Q2 also. So how we will construct the DFA for this NFA? In the DFA we know that for some particular symbol there will be only one next state. So we will club these two next states, we will club them. Q1, Q2, we will club them and make a single state. Make a single state for the DFA. So let's start with this Q1. Q1 is the initial state. Q1 on getting input 0, it goes to Q1 and the Q2. So we will club Q1 and Q2 into the one state. Okay, for the DFA. Next Q1 on 1, it goes to Q1. Q1 on 1, it goes to Q1. Now we have to mark all those states which are present at this site. Okay, now we have to make a rule for each and every transition or combination of the states which are present at this state and this state. Okay, here you can see now I have the two combination of the states. First one is Q1, Q2 and next is Q1. So I have to make the rule for these two states first. Q1 on Q2 on getting input 0. So it means Q1 and Q2 on getting input 0. Q1 on 0. Q1 on 0, it goes to Q1, Q2, and Q2 on 0, it goes to Q3. So we will merge these two states, next states. So Q1 and Q2 on 0. Q1 and Q2 on 0, it goes to Q1, Q2, Q3 combination of the states. For Q1, Q2 on 1, Q1, Q2 on 1, Q1, Q2. So Q1, Q2, we will merge them. Next, what about this Q1? Q1 on 0, it goes to Q1, Q2. And what about, no, there is no need to make a rule for the Q1 because we have already made a rule for the Q1. So what will be our next state? I have already made a rule for this Q1, Q2. I have made the rule for this Q1. Now I have to make the rule for this Q1, Q2 and Q3. And what will be the next transition? Q1, Q2, Q3. Q1, Q2, Q3. So these all I have to merge. So Q1, Q2, Q3 and the Q4. And what about for one input? Q1, Q2, Q3. Q1, Q2, Q3 on the one, it will get Q1, Q2 and Q4 combination. That means I have made the rule for this also. Now I have made the rule for this. I have to make this rule for this. Q1, Q2, Q3 and the Q4. And what will be the next state for on the 0? It will be the combination of these all states. So Q1, Q2, Q3 and the Q4. And on 1, it will be the combination of all these states. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. That means I have made the rule for this also. And now this will be left. So I have to make a rule for this. Q1, Q2, Q4. Q1, Q2, Q4. Q1, Q2, Q4 on 0, it get Q1, Q2, Q3. So combination of Q1, Q2 and the Q3. And on 1, it will get Q1, Q2, Q3. Q1, Q2 and Q3. now I have make the rule for this. I have also make the rule for this, and I have also make the rule on this. I have not make a rule on this q1 q2. I have make the rule on the q1 q2 q4 also. q1 q2 q3 I have also made, and on the q1 q2 q3 I have also made. So this is my transition table. Now I have to design the transition diagram. This is the q1 q2 q1 q2 q3 q4 q1 q2 q3 q1 q2 q4. So these all are the states. Now we have to make all the final states which having this q4. Okay, this is also having the q4, so this is also my final state. This is also having a q4, then I have to make this also a final state. No other states are having this q4, so I have not to make all the other states as a final state. And this is the initial state. So q1 is the initial state, q1 q2 q3 q4 and q1 q2 q4. Here you can see these two are the final states. Now I have to make just the transitions. Here you can see q1 on 0 it goes to q1 q2, on 0 it goes to q1 q2, and on 1 it goes to q1 itself. Okay, I have made the rule for this q1. Next q1 q2. q1 q2 on 0 it goes to q1 q2 q3. On 0 it goes to q1 q2 q3, and on 1 it goes to q1 and q2. On 1 it goes to on q1 q2 q1 q2 on 0 it goes to q1 on 0 I go to q1 and q2. q1 and q2, yes, q1 on 1 it goes to q1, it's okay. Next is q1 and q2. q1 q2 on 0 it goes to this q1 q2 q3, and on 1 it goes to q1 q2. So on 1 it remain in itself. Next q1 q2 q3 on 0 it goes to this. So q1 q2 q3 on 0 it goes to this, and q1 q2 q3 on 1 it goes to this. On 1 it goes to this. q1 q2 q3 q4 on 0 it remain in itself, and on 1 it also remain in itself. What about this q1 q2 q4? q1 q2 q4 on 0 it goes to this q1 q2 q3, and on 1 it will go to this q1 q2 q3. So this is the transition diagram for this transition table, and in this I have minimized the NFA to the DFA. I have minimized the states in the NFA to this DFA conversion. I hope friends this idea will be clear. So thank you friends. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, so don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you have any query, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.